guys, come with me. Follow me on this journey. We're going to take a journey of pull-up progressions because there's a lot of people that really struggle with pull-ups, and you have plenty of options. You can start with ring rows. You can move over to standing chin-ups and pull-ups. Then we'll get back to the rings, go to piked ring rows. You can integrate bands into pulling progressions on the rig. It's not the only option, but it is an option. You go to chin-up or pull-up hold, like a flexed arm hang. You get into some slow negatives, so controlling yourself on the way down. Then we're getting into strict chin-ups, strict pull-ups, and then adding weight to your body and treating a pull-up like a legitimate strength exercise, not just a calisthenics sort of warm-up thing. Now, for those of you CrossFitters out there, where does kipping fall in there? After you've acquired some of these guys, then we can start to talk about kipping. So you could almost branch this off from adding weight into kipping as well. So try some of these things, see where you fall, and that's your 1 minute hack for today.